What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I created this makeup look for the holiday season. We have a lot of holidays now if you're in the States from now until after New Year's, so there's lots of things going on, parties to go to. So I wanted to create a makeup look that was just a little bit different than your traditional look with the red lips. I wanted to do something a little bit frosty on the eyes and pinky on the cheeks. So this is a great look if you are a mature woman and want something a little bit lighter on the face. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look, then just keep watching. For our skin, I'm going to start off with my Merit Great Skin and my Say. This is in the shade Star Glow. I'm going to mix these two together to give a hydrating, shimmery base. I want our face to just be light and moisturized, and then any pigment's going to come from the eyes or cheeks or lips. I want the skin to look hydrated and nice, not cakey. We don't need any extra stuff on the skin that'll make us look dull or aged. For my face, I'm just going to go in with my Summer Friday Sheer Skin Tint. I have this in the shade 4. This is just a beautiful skin tint, and I absolutely love the way it looks on the skin. It's great after you put the Merit Great Skin Moisturizer on to get your foundation or skin tint on as soon as possible, as it's still kind of moist on the skin. That's how it works best. So I do love the holidays. I love Christmas time. I love that whole vibe, but I always find a hard time getting into it. I don't know why. I always just do. I don't know. I guess maybe I get overwhelmed. I love giving gifts. I love all of that, but I also get just tired and overwhelmed really easily. And sometimes when there's so much to do, I kind of just like go into a freeze moment and can't figure it all out. But just get a little bit done every day. That's not bad either. Or I completely procrastinate till I have no time left and then I just power through. I'm also very good at that. Is procrastinating till the last minute and then just doing it all. Okay, we just have this lovely skin tint, lovely base going on the face. Now I'm going to go in with my Putty Color Corrector Eye Brightener from e.l.f. Do I have a shade on this? Yes, light medium. So this is just going to have some warm peachy undertones to it, and it's just going to help camouflage the darkness. Camouflage those blue purpley tones. This is really nice and light and hydrating. I don't know why I don't use it more. Just gonna start off with this and then I'll put a little bit of concealer over top. I'm gonna do my contour bronzer first before I go over the color corrector with concealer, and I'm going in with my Halo Beauty Wand contour and the shade light medium as well. This one gives so much pigment and I'm running out. So this is a good one just for kind of like a dual contour, and if you want to do your bronzer in one and you just want to use one product, this one does the trick really well. So I was thinking about it and I was like, what would be my favorite Christmas movie? And instantly in my mind was Home Alone. That is the one movie that I will not scroll past. I will not skip. Home Alone, I will watch every time it is on TV. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Christmas movie is, the one that you cannot pass up. It was funny because when we were growing up, my brother looked a lot like Macaulay Culkin, so when the movie came out, he was around the same age, and it was just really funny to have a little brother who looked like Macaulay Culkin. I always love added bronze, so I'm going to go in with my Merit bronzing stick and bronzing balm in the shade Scene. And I'm going to just pop that on the outer part of the cheek. Leave the apples of the cheek a little bit more bare so we could use the blush there. For some extra coverage, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light Medium. This will always be the OG best concealer from the drugstore. The coverage and the way it just lasts and the way it goes on is like a high-end concealer. All right, the eyes are going to be simple. We're going to make them pop. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup by Mario palette. I'm going to go in with the shade M8, which is the cooler of the neutral tones, and my fluffy brush from Jaclyn Hill. This is the JH35. I use the JH35 and the JH40 all the time. So I'm just going to place that up on the brow bone like this. A little bit on the outer corner, leaving this area nice and bright. Now I'm going to go in with this silver liner from NYX NYX. I don't know which it is. I always say both because I'm unsure of what is the proper pronunciation of this line. So yeah, we're going to go in with a nice silver liner, and I wonder if I could sharpen it. I wonder if I should try that now. I don't like these. I don't like these plastic ones. Well, guess what? It doesn't have a sharpener at the end. All right, here we go. So we're going to do the top. This is actually a really pigmented liner, and I am really obsessed with how well it goes on. I just don't like, I don't like these plastic ones. And we're going underneath. So we're going on top and underneath the lash line. Just gonna use my hand to kind of wing that out a bit because it was kind of coming down. All right, that looks so good, so icy on the eyes. Let's just give it a whirl and try and sharpen it. So I just have an old Wet n Wild sharpener that I've had forever. Let me just see how easy. Oh, this one's not bad actually. Okay. This one actually did sharpen not too bad. Okay, now it's getting hard and my hands are getting sweaty. Knees weak, arms are heavy. No, I'm just joking. That's as much as I'm gonna do. But this is actually a very, very beautiful liner. I think it'd be awesome for the holidays. So I will try linking this one for you guys, and just line to your heart's content. Like when my eyes are open, because my eyes are deep set, it's almost like you're just seeing that when the eyes are open. So you can go up as high as you want with this, and you don't have to worry about applying it with a brush. And it looks really good. I'm just going back from the ring light a bit because it's washing me out, making me look not as bronzed as I actually am, but the bronze / silver liner looks so good. It's a great combination. My hair is getting blonder. I am liking the vibe. All right, for my cheeks, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Pinch Me Pink. This is a nice bubblegum baby pink, and I think this would be really cute for a holiday look, just like a rosy, flushed, pinky cheek. Super cute. So I'm going to place this up on top of the apples of the cheek. And again, more pigmented in person. When I'm getting up close to the ring light, it's kind of washing it out a bit, but definitely got some pigment going on. Could put a little bit on your nose too, would be cute. And you could even go up, just dab it up on the brow bone. I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty blush in the shade Cheer. This is the powder blush, and it does have some luminosity to it. I need to get a new highlighter. I need to get a good highlighter. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. And I'm just going to add a little bit of this on top of the cheekbones. Just adding my mascara on the outer part of my eye. I did tightline the outer corner just to thicken up the lash line. For my lips, I'm going in with my color changing lipstick from Essence. This is the Meta Glow. It actually turns into a really pretty light pink, and it smells so good. And it's super hydrating too. It just gives you a nice baby pink. All right, this is the final look. I love the way it turned out, the color combination of the silver eye and the pinks, kind of like not as traditional makeup look for the holidays, but something just as cute to try out. There's always so many things to go to between now and New Year's, so you gotta have a few options, right? All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.